Hi guys, this is a tutorial video on drawing with name. I had already made many artwork with this style like hair, Cristiano Ronaldo, BTS Jimin, Blackpink Jisoo, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli and Lionel Messi. These are my few artworks. You can check many more on my playlist. Let's start with our tutorial. Let me put this artwork aside. This is the first part of our tutorial. In this style, outline is the most important part. Everything depends on the outline. How accurate your outline is, that much your artwork look good. For this video, I'm drawing Chris Evans, aka the Captain America. You can see the reference here. I'm using Loomis method and measurement method to draw the outline. Start with a circle. Divide it horizontally and vertically into two equal parts. Then divide the upper and lower hemisphere into three equal parts. Then with that guiding point, draw a square inside the circle. Draw the eye line and then chin line. The space between hairline and brow line and nose line and chin line must be equal. And then I draw eye. The space between two eye is equal to one eye. Then the starting point of both eyes tell us the width of the nose, and the starting point of iris tell us the width of the mouth. Loomis method only help us to draw the basic structure of face, but with measurement method it help us to draw the outline of our reference accurately. Let me complete the outline. Or if you want a dedicated Loomis method tutorial, comment for that. With the combining of Loomis method and measurement method, we can draw almost 75 to 90% accurate portrait. Here's our outline is complete, but still little bit of mistakes are there. For that, let me cross check this. After all cross checks and erasing outline, here is our Chris Evans outline, aka the Captain America outline. It's completed. How it is, guys. In next video, I will teach you the how to draw the hair part with the name of the Captain America, and see you in the next video.